Hi, it's Kris from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today I want to show you one simple way to make a ruffle on the serger. First off, we want to look at the differential feed, which is at neutral right now. We're going to bump it all the way up to the number 2. Next, I'm going to take my width and bump it up to, let's see, probably a 7.5. We'll go from there and see how it looks. And then with the length, I want to take it to a 4 in the standard setting. The 4 is going to be our longest length, which of course is what we want to do, just like we would if we were doing a ruffle on a sewing machine. My threads are set up for a 4-thread overlock. All right, you ready to get started? Let's go. I'm going to take a few stitches and then I'm simply going to put my finger back here just to kind of add a little bit of tension there, and I'm going to lightly put my finger one on top of the other just to help control this fabric as it's going through. And there it is. Look how simple it was to create a ruffle on the serger. All right, so if I want to have even more of a gather, all I have to do is look for the 2 needle threads, which are the threads that are going straight across, and I'm going to go ahead and grab those right here with my tweezers and just pull them out. And when I do that, I can then make this ruffle even tighter. And voila, a cute, darling ruffle.